I've never been exposed like this before. I'm gonna try to get you out. I've always had a way of keeping close.
Okay, this is the one that would not leave my room alone. Always stalking me. Can't live without me. Say hi to the camera. They are too obsessed with me.
So, hi guys, good morning. Today is Saturday. I think it's 13th, I mean 14th, I mean 12, I don't know. But yeah, and I want to make today somewhat of a productive day. I am going to try to edit my vlogs. So I said I was going to take my YouTube very seriously. I was going to try to vlog more, post, edit, post, and all of those things. And I have two vlogs that I haven't edited yet. One is a wedding, my cousin's wedding that was last week Saturday. I vlogged and I said I was going to edit it and post. I haven't done that. The vlog before that wedding, I haven't edited it yet. Okay, my laptop was having issues. I think I said that in one of my vlogs. If you've not watched that vlog, you better go and check it out because I'm about editing it now. But now I've gotten it back and I want to start editing on my laptop because editing on my phone is quite stressful, and I will not even lie. Doing it here makes the work a lot more easier and it makes me take the work a lot more seriously. So yes, and then I am trying to get okay. I got ideas from ChatGPT, video ideas for YouTube. So I'm trying to like script the video, which I'm still going to use ChatGPT to script it as well. But yeah, if you don't know how to script your videos or you want to learn how to script your video using ChatGPT, then you should follow my second channel. It's called The Content Corner. If you don't know about it yet, basically, I discuss everything about content creation. So I teach you everything that I know about content creation. So yeah, subscribe to that channel so you get to learn more about content creation if it's something you're interested in. But yeah, I'm going to try to script the videos. So I have this idea of my YouTube channel, my personal YouTube channel, which is where you're watching this vlog on. Um, I want to start vlogging or taking my vlogging seriously because I want you guys to know a part of me that is the essence of my vlog. I am a lifestyle content creator, but also I am very opinionated, so I want to be able to share my opinions about certain things that I believe in, whether it's love, relationship, religion, school, whatever. I want to be able to do that. So I'm trying to like merge the two of them. I don't know how that is going to work, but I did a video called letting go of my past and a skincare routine as well. Like it was like a two-in-one video. So if you have not yet watched that video, go and check out that vlog and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy videos like that. If you do, because that is what I want to start doing more of soon, where I just share parts of my life but still give my opinions about certain things. So yeah, I feel like I'm talking too much already, so let's just get into scripting this. After scripting this, then I'll probably try to edit at least one vlog or half of the vlog, because I want to be consistent from now till like December. Do you get? Because school is finishing October. I want to be able to be doing something, and I want to start building that habit now, so that when school finishes, I will focus on it entirely. But so yeah, let's just start scripting this one. I'm gonna put my earpods on because I don't like stress, and I don't want my family members to stress me or start shouting my name or calling my name, and I want to just focus on work because I've been very, very lazy. So
Oh my god, guys, this is what my setup is looking like. This is what working and vlogging looks like. I mean, let's try to be as productive as we fucking can, period.
okay, guys, so far so good. I have finished scripting for the month of October. If all goes according to plan, if I am uploading video every week, like I said, I'm trying to build consistency, but at the same time, I'm not going to pressure myself into uploading twice a week or 3 times a week. So I'm sticking to once a week for now, and I finished scripting the videos for the week, and this is a lot more stressful than I thought. Like, even if you're using AI, it is still stressful, but so far so good. I think I like the script. I like the ideas that they gave to me and how I can incorporate my own lifestyle into what they gave to me, because obviously I'm not going to do exactly what they gave to me. I'm still going to like try to put or tweak one or two things that they gave to me, so which is what I've done, and I'm proud of myself. Now I'm going for a food break. I need to make food for my dad, make food for myself, and then the next stage of productivity would probably be the editing of the vlog. So I'll start editing that part because my battery is kind of low. So yeah, I have like 2 minutes, 2 hours, 30 minutes before this laptop would die. So I need to start editing the vlog as planned.
People should patronize my mother, because she's very good at this. This is for like snacks, like you want to munch on something, you always have it in the fridge. Anyways, back to my vlog. It's 5:30 and today has been really somewhat productive, I guess. My laptop is dead finally, so I know that I look like a mess, but I think I'm going to end my productivity for today. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, and subscribe to my channel because it's free. And I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye. Peace and love.